Guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Paria, and in the clip I will explain you about the cardiovascular system. It's in the heart. I hope that you like it. Please like this video, subscribe this channel, and write your comments. Okay, then let's go. The cardiovascular system, as you know, it is known as the transportation system of the body. The structure includes the heart, blood vessel, and blood. So the layer of the heart, endocardium, myocardium, and epicardium. So the layer of the heart, it means that endocardium, smooth layer, and lines the interior, and the valves are made from these layers. So the myocardium, muscle layer, thickest layer, and the epicardium, thin outermost layer, joined with serous lining outside the heart to form the pericardium, as you see this picture in the epicardium. So the septum, what is the septum? Separates the left and right heart into arterial top part of the septum and the interventricular bottom part of the septum, and the four chamber in the heart: right atrium, right ventricle, left atrium, and the left ventricle. The right atrium, what is the function? Receive blood from the superior and inferior vena cava, and the right ventricle pumps blood to the lungs. As you know, in the lungs change gas. It means that oxygen and dioxide carbon. So the left atrium receives oxygenated blood, and the left ventricle pump oxygenated blood to the rest of the body, strongest chamber. And what is the function? Valves are important to control the flow of blood from one chamber of the heart to another. The valve allows blood to flow in only one direction. Please pay attention to this point. They allow blood to flow in the one direction, only one direction. So the next slide, the one tricuspid valve, opening between the right atria and the right ventricle, and the pulmonary valve, opening between right ventricle and pulmonary artery, and the mitral valve, it means that also called bicuspid, opening between the left atrium and the left ventricle, and the aortic, located between the left ventricle and aorta. So the next slide, chordae tendineae, third, keeps valve flaps from, and flipping up into the atria. And as you see this picture, the left atrium, left ventricle, and mitral. Okay. And next slide about the right arterioventricular. It means that tricuspid between the right atrium and the right ventricle has three flaps, prevent blood from flowing back into the right atrium, and the pulmonic between the right ventricle and the right pulmonary artery prevents blood from flowing back into the right ventricle, and the bicuspid, it means that the mitral between the left atrium and the left ventricle and prevent blood flowing back into the left atrium, has two flaps. Okay, and the last slide about the aortic valve between the left ventricle and the aorta. As you know, the aorta is the biggest. I mean that biggest vessel in the body. So, and the aorta prevents blood from flowing back into the left ventricle. Okay, thank you so much, because pay attention to my conference about the structure, heart, and the cardiovascular system. I hope that you like it, and please subscribe this channel, like this video, and write your comments. Okay, goodbye for now.